Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't open this item for trying to open a certain file or folder on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. For example, if I'm trying to open this folder. So simply right click in the file explorer, select show more options and click on refresh. This will refresh the page and then maybe you will be able to open it. If not, then restart the file explorer itself. And how would you do that? Search for task manager in the Windows search bar and open task manager. Find the Windows Explorer process, right click on it and restart. If you don't find it, then scroll down and you might find it in the background processes. Then you can restart your computer, right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out and then restart it. Now here's the thing, other channels and other websites are suggesting to check the recycle bin and all because it may have been deleted, but there would be a ghost file for it existing in the file explorer. But here's the thing, once you have restarted your computer, all of this should be sorted out anyway. Now, the last solution will obviously be an SFC scan. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and open it by clicking on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.